So dear students, take page workbook, 20th question. Take page number, let me ask to Irene, tell me the page number of 20th question. 18. Is it page number 18?
18.
18. All of you take page number 18. 18. See, how many of you did not write the 20th answer? Raise your hand. How many of you did not write, copy the 20th answer? Everybody completed? Huh? I will check it. Evangel, did you complete the 20th question? Evangel.
Ma'am, I didn't.
Who?
Ma'am, just say. Ma'am, I didn't.
Why you did not do that? You are very busy.
Ma'am, because I was writing with notes of another subjects.
Why? Don't say these all excuses. Don't say. Because it is not the yesterday or day before it is given. It is given in last week. Right? So many days before. And up to this your time, you are not getting time for writing. It is not good. Today itself complete it. Okay?
Ma'am,
No
I
more
did
check.
not write
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you send
21 first one.
Joseph,
20th
mute your
first
audio.
one.
Mute your audio.
Finish.
Here you are now becoming very lazy. Okay. So here we can see the 20th question. Shubhadana, do you have the textbook workbook? Shubhadana, do you have the workbook? Unmute and tell me. Do you have the workbook?
No, ma'am.
Why? So I will send the notes again. You write down that all things. Okay. Here in the 20th question, we can see pick the image. Pick the image in which the solute dissolves faster. Give reason to support your answer. You can see two pictures there. In one picture, water, milk with sugar. Milk and sugar. In the second picture, Helen Tito, unmute it, Helen. Helen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the difference between first picture and second picture? Helen.
Ma'am, first picture have some milk with sugar and second picture. First picture has lots of dots under and second picture have little.
Okay, that is the only difference you can see in that picture.
Ma'am, can Cheryl say?
Yes,
And
Cheryl.
also some, ma'am, that water is boiling, ma'am.
That is the main point. Okay, Cheryl, mute it. Mute it. Okay, mute it. So, here in these two pictures, one picture, milk with sugar. Sugar is added in the milk. Let me ask Rommel. Let me ask Rommel. In the 20th question, milk with sugar. Which is the solute there? In the 20th question, we can see milk and sugar. Which is the solute? Solute?
Sugar.
Sugar. Sugar is the solute. Milk is the
Solvent.
solvent. Okay, milk is the. So, in the both the picture, solute and solvent are same. In one picture, that is not boiling. In the second picture, that is boiling. That is boiling. Our question, in the first picture, we can see lots of sugar part, the dots, lots of sugar there, the dots there, right? The dots represent the sugar substance. The dots represent the sugar substances. Okay. So, in the second picture, only few dots are there. From that, what you can understand?
Ma'am.
Okay, Irene. Okay, from that picture. Okay, boil.
Faster.
Boil faster. No, not boiling faster. In the first picture, the solution is not heating. In the second picture, solution is heating. Okay. In the first picture, you can see so many dots that represent the sugar. But in the second picture, very few dots are there. That means sugar is not that much.
Dissolve in water.
Okay, okay. When we heat the substance, when we heat the solution, the solute will dissolve faster. In the second picture, we are heating the solution. So, when we heat the solution, the solute, which is sugar here, will dissolve in the milk, faster. So, according to this question, which solute, in which image the solute dissolve faster?
B.
Okay, second. So, you can tick mark the second one. And answer also, what is the reason? That also I had sent it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Yes, 1 minute. Rommel, please read what is the reason to choose. What is the reason to choose the second image? Read it. Unmute and read.
Can I tell, ma'am?
Okay, Abel, read it. Read that.
Here, the water is being heated. The heat energy causes the solute particles to move faster. This fast movement causes them to dissolve faster.
Okay. When we heat, mute it. Okay, good. When we heat
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is water or milk?
Here the water, here the milk. So you change it into milk. Everybody change the answer into milk. Cut it and change it into milk. Here the milk is being heated. Everybody has to change the water to milk. Okay. Change the water into milk.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So here the milk is being heated. The heat energy causes the solute particles to move faster. This fast movement causes them to dissolve faster. I told when we heating, we are giving energy directly to that particles, right? When they get energy, they will move fast. If you eat something, you will have lots of energy. At that time, we can't control you, right? You will move here and there, will do fightings, these all things. In the same way, sugar particles also will get energy and they will move fast. When they move fast, they will mix us with the water. So, let me see the 19th question. Can you see another picture there in the workbook? 19th question. 19th question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why do wall painters use liquid like kerosene to clean their brushes? Anupama, read the answer. Anupama, read the answer. Ambrose, where you are going? Anupama, please wait. Where is your? Ambrose, where is your workbook? Show me. Okay, take page question number 19. Okay, where you are going? Sit quietly there. Have you completed the notes? Have you completed the notes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anupama, see, listen. This Anupama is going to read it. Okay. Okay, read it. See, why we are discussing, I am sending the notes in WhatsApp. I want to see how many are copying it and how many are copying it properly. So when we are discussing these questions and answers, Say small corrections. You can do it. Anupama, please read.
My audio. It's tough.
Okay.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Why do all painters use liquids like kerosene to clean their brushes?
Okay, mute your audio, Anupama. Mute your
Okay,
audio. Ritul, unmute and read.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritul, unmute it and read fast.
Why do wall painters use liquid like kerosene to clean their brushes?
So here you can expect one more question. Painters use liquids like dash to clean their brushes. Anha,
Kerosene. Kerosene.
you already told the answer. Anha,
Yes,
unmute.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
one question. Wall painters use liquid like dash to clean their brushes.
Kerosene.
Kerosene. Okay.
Kerosene.
Read it, Ridul. Read the question and answer again.
Why do wall painters use liquid like kerosene to clean their brushes? Answer. Most paint used to paint wall are insoluble in water.
Once again
So
you
they-
read it. Once again you read it.
Most paint used to
Most paints used to
used
paint
to
walls.
paint walls are insoluble in water.
Oh.
So they use a solvent like kerosene to wash their paint from brush.
Okay, paint from the brushes. Next, Nevin, read the same answer. Nevin, read the same answer. Fia, sit quietly, sit properly.
Why do wall painters use liquids like kerosene to clean their brushes? Answers. Most painters use
Most paints.
paint.
Most paints.
Most paints used to paint walls are insoluble in water, so they use a solvent like kerosene to wash the paint from the brushes.
Nevin, why you are picking each word and reading? Are you not reading the textbook nowadays? Read it fluently. Once again, read it fast. Don't pick the words. Read it.
Why do wallpapers use liquid like kerosene to clean their brushes? Most paints used to paint walls are insoluble in water, so they use a solvent like kerosene to wash the paint from the brushes.
See, read it 5 times. Okay. Everybody should read the each question answers 5 times loudly. Nowadays, you are not able to read it. See how Nevin was not like this. He lost his practice. That is why. Read fluently. Next one. Next question is 18th question. Aromal Shaji, 18th question. Read the question and its answer. Read fluently. Don't pick each word. Read it fluently. Aromal.
What are dry cleaning in clothes?
Once
Of
again.
clothes.
Once again.
What are dry cleaning of
Is
clothes?
it R or is?
Is.
So read it again. See.
What is dry cleaning of clothes?
Amna, mute your audio. Answer.
Washing clothes using solvent like petrol is called dry cleaning.
Why you are stretching these words? Read fluently once again. Fast. Fast.
Washing clothes using solvent like petrol.
Solvents, not solvent. Solvents.
Solvent like petrol is
Petrol. Petrol.
petrol is called dry cleaning.
Okay, is called dry cleaning. So here two questions are there. One is what is dry cleaning of clothes? The answer is given in there. Another one, Fia, be ready to give my question's answer. Okay. So washing clothes using solvent like a dash is called dry cleaning. Washing clothes using solvents like a dash is called dry cleaning.
Petrol.
Okay, petrol. And one more, another question. Which solvent is used in dry cleaning? Devananda. Which solvent is used in dry cleaning? Devananda. Parvati. Parvati. Unmute Parvati.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which solvent is used in dry cleaning? Is it dry? Petrol. Repeat. Petrol. So which solvent? Yeah, are we using water in dry cleaning?
No, ma'am.
So, Amal, mute your audio. So we are using petrol in dry cleaning. Okay. So likewise, we can ask questions. So many questions. And Amal, read the 17th question.
Okay, ma'am. Laura's mother got some oil stains on her silk saree. Can she wash them with water to get them removed? Give a reason for your answer.
Okay. Laura's mother got some oil stains on her silk saree. Can we wash them with water to get them removed?
No, ma'am.
No. If you are saying no, give me the reason. Who said no? Okay, Irene, what is the reason? If you are saying it as no, give me the
We
reason.
cannot wash with water
Why?
because it will not dissolve in water.
What will not dissolve in water?
Oil
Oil will not dissolve in
dissolve in
water.
water.
So they will not be removed.
Removed in water.
Okay, removed by using water. Okay, Ambrose, read the 17th question and its answer. Next, after that, Sachin has to read. 17th question and answer.
Laura's mother got some oil stains on her silk saree. Can she wash them with water to get them removed? Give the reason for your answer.
Okay, read the answer.
No, she cannot wash the stains with water because oil is not soluble in water. So they will not be removed.
Here, once again, read it fast. Take your book in your hand and read it. Answer only. I need the answer only.
No, she can wash the stains with the water because oil is not so soluble in water, so they will not be removed.
Read it every day, okay? Sachin, read the question and answer. If you are not able to read, how you will learn? Sachin.
Laura's mother got.
Unmute and read.
Ma'am, can Amna read?
No. Unmute Sachin.
Give a reason for your example.
One second. Read the question completely. You had muted and read. So read it.
No, she cannot wash them stain. Laura's mother got some oil stain on her silk saree. Can she wash them with water to get them removed? Give a reason for your answer.
Answer.
No, she cannot wash the stain with water because oil is not soluble in water, so they will not be removed.
Okay. So read 5 times. Each question answer, read it 5 times. Next question. Okay, let me see. Jay Krishnan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the 15th question.
Ma'am, I didn't got answer.
Now we can write now. Okay, multiple MCQ. So now itself we can tick it. Okay, read the question. Yes. Fast.
Which of the following is used to clean
Grease stained.
this cloth?
Stained cloth.
Stained cloth.
Which of the following is used to clean grease stained clothes?
Petrol.
Which? Petrol. B. Answer is B. Now you got the answer? Jay Krishnan.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
What is mean by wall paint?
Wall paint means paint which is used for painting walls. Usual paint. Okay. Next one, Jay Krishnan. Read the 16th one also. After that, we can discuss it in the next class. Read it fast. Jay Krishnan.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it, 16th one.
Meera wants to paint picture. Use her new poster color.
Okay.
Which of the following will be most
Soluble
solvent to prepare the colors for her paint?
Okay.
Paintings.
Okay. New poster colors. She is using poster colors. So which
Water.
Poster colors are soluble in water. So which solvent they can use? She can use water. A. Answer is A. Okay. So dear students, I am writing up today's class. This period, one more period is there. We can continue in that. Okay. Thank you.